For entry into Movie World, you must download the Village Roadshow Theme Parks app. Then scan your ticket onto the app for entry into Movie World. The app gives you all the updated information you need, show times and what rides are running, as well as wait times. Today we're going to update you about what's happening at Movie World in September. So while COVID-19 is going on, it's caused some dramas with lots of rides not operating due to unable to get parts for ride maintenance. So there are a number of rides not running at the moment. The Green Lantern is down for maintenance with no expected opening date as of yet, which makes me question, is the ride going to open again? I know Roadshow is going to announce some 2 rides that will permanently close. Is this going to be one of them? I'm not quite sure. Arkham Asylum is also down for maintenance, and although not 100% confirmed, this ride won't be opening again. Arkham had a 25-year lifespan, and the cost of maintaining the ride just doesn't make it worth keeping it open. The cost of maintaining is around $200,000 per year. Doomsday Destroyer is down for maintenance and is expected to open towards the end of September. Wild West Falls is down for maintenance and is also expected to open towards the end of September. Let me know in the comments below what's your favourite ride at Movie World. Scooby-Doo Spooky Roller Coaster has planned maintenance from the 11th of October, so make sure you make the most of it while it's open. It won't be open again until December. Justice League 3D is still in operation but has overdue planned maintenance in November, which should hopefully fix some of the glitches with the ride. Make sure you go on the DC Rivals Hyper Coaster. It's the longest, tallest and fastest roller coaster in the Southern Hemisphere. You can pay to ride this roller coaster backwards, so give it a try and see what you think. It's the last 2 seats of the ride and it will cost you $15 per person for one ride. For the kids, the junior driving school is running daily and the theming on the ride is worth going for a look even if you don't have kids. Yosemite Sam's Railroad remains closed with no expected opening date. Sylvester's Pounce and Bounce is also under long-term maintenance with an expected reopening date around the end of September. The Roadrunners roller coaster is a great way of easing your kids into thrill rides as it's a short, fun ride. All the other kids' rides are operating daily in the kids area. If you like watching shows, Yogi Bear 4D is now showing at the Roxy Theatre. On entry you are given glasses to go on an adventure with Yogi and Boogie. Street Star Parade is back up and running daily. Parades start daily at 3 PM, so you can see all your Looney Tune and superheroes all in one go. The parade is always a hit with the kids. Don't forget Mum and Dad's. Dirty Harry's is open and it's always good to have a little bit of liquid lunch. Rick's Cafe, which does the buffet, is still closed at this stage and we are unaware of an opening date. However, all the other food outlets are open. Hollywood Stunt Driver Show is still running daily and is a must-see if you haven't seen it before. Make sure you check the Village Roadshow app before going to the park as the show times change daily. Character meet and greets have changed dramatically. You used to be able to shake hands or cuddle your favourite characters. Now, due to COVID-19, social distancing has even affected this. So there is a 1.5 metre distance required between actors and the public. So when you have a photo with the characters, you stand 1.5 metres in front and the actors are in the background. Make sure you check out the studio case, which has a great lineup of costumes and props used in the movies, like The Great Gatsby, Shazam, Mad Max, Wonder Woman and Suicide Squad. Probably my favourite would be the Joker's car in Suicide Squad, and that looks really awesome. I hope this update has helped you with your plans to visit Movie World through September, and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification for our monthly update on what's happening at Movie World. Thanks for watching, guys.